I'm really excited about this week's content. So there's this new thing called bslib that allows you to essentially use bootstrap themes within R. Okay, still sounds kind of foreign. At the end of the day, it makes your R shiny, look as if it's a real app or a real website. So here you run these lines. Of course, you install them, but you run these lines to create a previewer. Okay. And so in terms of this previewer, it allows you to create different themes. So give it a moment. It will change the theme. Flatly. That's cool. I'm going to make it look, let's say sandstone. Okay. There's a lot of things that you can change. A lot of things that you can change. A lot of different, tones and things that matter. I'm also going to change my font. So what I find is if you, let's say, open this Google in this, in a new tab, let's say make the font kind of crazy. Okay, let's do something like that. That's crazy. Okay, so we highlight this, copy, and then we just paste it in here. That's the base font, and hopefully that shouldn't have an issue. Did things change? Yes, they did. Okay, great. I don't suggest this font, but this is just for illustration purposes. All right. All right. So what you would then do is you would notice, right, in R that it's created this little output for you. So just take note of that. So I'm gonna stop the themer, stop the previewer, and run this, traditional R Shiny app, the old faithful gauger. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to R and say this is. I'm just giving you this for illustration purposes. So I'm gonna go back to R, and here I'm gonna just note what this says. Okay, great, fantastic. I'm going to load in the package bslib. Okay, and then okay, that is interesting. What I'll then do is I'll change this to navigation bar, and I'm going to page. Okay, that's great. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to change this to theme is equal to bs theme. Okay, and then I'm going to copy and paste the code, this code here. So copy and paste this code and place it here. And let's see what this new app looks like. Oh, I forgot a comma. You see, mistakes are always possible. Okay. Wow. So look how different it is now. So fun things that you can do in R.